So hey guys, there is Hafix here. So today we are going to change the battery in the Inspiron laptop. So of course we gonna change for the new one because the old doesn't work. So you can do it home with the common tools. All we have to do is just to unscrew these 9 screws. Once you unscrew them, then we are going to pull it out from the corner, from this corner. Don't worry, you won't break anything. You have to use a little bit of power, but not too much. So let's put it up slowly. So there is even a magnet here, so don't worry. So it just helps the cover hold at the right place. So look, pull it up, one more, and nice and smooth, and you already see the old battery. So when you're doing this, it's even good to change or at least blow up the fan from the dust. But back to the battery. There are four screws. One, two, three, four. You can see them. Let's unscrew them. So that's the first one. Let's take it out. They are really short, so that's gonna be quick. So that's already the third one, and there is the last one, the fourth one. So let's take it out. So once the battery is unscrewed, the battery is connected to the motherboard, of course, so with a cable. You can use your screwdriver and help yourself a little bit, but you don't even need it. So you just press it like this, and with the moves right and left and right and left and pulling out, you unplug the cable. So let's do it. You can see the move, right, left, right, left. Look, the battery is already unplugged, disconnected. So look, the battery is already free, but we still need the cable. So we're gonna unplug the same way as before, right, left, right, left. So that's it. That was really quick. Take the new battery, full of power, of course, connect the cable back to the battery, and the next step is connect the battery back to the motherboard. You can use the same move, but when you are connecting, usually it works when you just press it there. So let's do it. Take your time. Okay. I don't know if you saw, if I mentioned, but there is a little square, white one, this one. But you can't see it. I'm gonna zoom it. Wait, just give me a second. Okay, that's better. So you see this little square, the white one, is supposed to be in the middle. There shouldn't be any gap. If it's like that, you know the battery is connected well and perfectly. So once you connect it, place to the battery at the right position, and the 4 short screws we unscrewed, we have to screw it back, of course. So let's do it. That's the one. And guys, one more information. Don't over tight it. Okay? Just use your feeling in your fingers. Don't over tight it, but don't keep it loose. Okay? So something in the middle. But I know you can do it. Don't worry. So that's the third one. I usually do it cross. It's better to place it, but doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay, and that's the last one. That's the fourth one. Okay. So the battery is connected. The battery is back, screwed up. Everything is ready. So we have to put there the cover. So there is the magnet helps you. It helps you to put it on the right place. So slowly, guys, just put it there. When you have it correctly, uh, the the magnet helps you. So you just press it and you hear clap, clap, clap everywhere. So once it's there, the last thing we have to do, take the 9 screws and put them back. So let's do it. And one more information for you, when you change the battery, to keep the battery good, you're supposed to charge it fully your laptop, and then every time just between 20 and 80% you're supposed to charge your laptop. Okay, the battery shouldn't go less than 20%. So that means if you have 25%, just you can put it to the charger. If you have 95%, don't do it. Okay, if you have 85, don't do it. You really should charge it between 20 and 80%. Then the battery is gonna be good for a long time. Okay, so that's the almost last screw. Oh no, this one is last. There was one hidden yet. Okay, everything is done. So let's try it if it actually works. So press the power button. Oh, and I can already see it's lighting. Well done. So guys, you can see it took me around 5 minutes. You don't have to put it somewhere to the PC shop and waste money. You can do it home with the common tools. Nice. So guys, if you like it, hit me a follow and don't forget to ring a bell and have fun. Bye bye.